Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the UI canvas. What is Canvas? Canvas is the foundation of Unity's UI user interface system. All UI elements, text, button, image, slider, dropdown, etc. must be inside a canvas. If you add a UI element to your scene, Unity will automatically create a canvas game object for you. In Unity, the canvas is crucial for UI design. However, if you don't choose the right canvas size for your target platform, your designs may shift, break, or appear misaligned on different devices. To ensure a consistent look across all platforms, you need to properly configure your canvas settings based on your game's target devices, whether it's mobile, tablet, or PC. Now, let's see where and how you can set this up in Unity. UI is always rendered on top of everything and automatically adjusts to the screen resolution. It is the most common mode for 2D UI. UI is linked to a specific camera. It allows depth effects, for example, UI elements scaling with perspective. UI elements are placed as 3D objects in the scene, useful for VR and AR applications. Important reminder: in Unity, your game resolution and canvas resolution must be the same. If they don't match, your UI might appear stretched, blurry, or misaligned on different screens. As you can see, the buttons I previously set up have shrunk, and the UI layout is now broken. This happens when the canvas isn't set correctly before designing the scene. If you start placing UI elements without adjusting the canvas, they might look fine in the editor but break on different screen sizes. Also, don't forget to use anchors when positioning your buttons. If you don't anchor your UI elements, they might move, shrink, or stretch incorrectly on different screen sizes. As you can see, after setting up the canvas and buttons properly, they now look correct on almost all resolutions. This is why Canvas is one of the most important elements in game development. It ensures that your UI adapts perfectly to different screen sizes without breaking. Happy coding and good luck with your game development!